Most financial advice tells women to do one of two things: buy term insurance for protection or invest in a ULIP to build long-term wealth. But here's the real question: what's the right balance for where you are today? Is there one approach that helps you balance both? If you've ever searched for the best insurance plans for women in India or wondered how does a ULIP help in wealth creation with insurance, you're probably asking the same question. Because today's woman isn't planning for just one goal. She's building a career, paying EMIs, saving for retirement, supporting aging parents, planning a child's future, and at the same time, she's trying to protect everything she's worked so hard to build. The truth is, the right financial plan isn't just about choosing insurance. And it isn't just about choosing investments. It's about finding the right balance between the two. And that balance depends on three things: your primary financial need today, your comfort with investment risk, and how long you're investing for. ABSLI's Her Insurance Suite offers 4 distinct financial paths, each designed for a different financial temperament. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll help you understand which one best matches yours. India's insurance market is expected to grow by nearly 6.9% annually between 2026 and 2030, driven by rising awareness of financial protection and long-term planning. But for many women, the bigger question isn't whether they should invest or buy insurance. It's whether they're choosing the right balance between protecting today's responsibilities and building tomorrow's wealth. And more importantly, which insurance plan actually matches where I am in life today. Because the right balance between wealth creation and protection depends on 3 things: your biggest financial priority, your comfort with investment risk, and how long you are investing for. ABSLI's Her Insurance Suite approaches these needs differently through 4 distinct plans, each designed for a different financial personality. Over the next few minutes, let's help you figure out which one sounds most like you. Let's start with a simple thought. Imagine 2 women. Both earn well, both save regularly, both have financial goals. But their priorities are different. One focuses entirely on investing. She builds a healthy portfolio. But if something unexpected interrupts her income, those long-term plans may suddenly become difficult to sustain. The other focuses only on protection. Her family is financially secure. But years later, she may realize her money hasn't grown enough to keep pace with inflation or support larger life goals. The truth is, neither approach is complete. Women today face what financial planners often call a dual mandate: protect the people who depend on you, while also building the financial independence you want for yourself. And those goals are becoming more expensive every year. Education costs have been rising steadily over the years. Healthcare costs continue to increase. Women in India continue to have a higher life expectancy than men, which means retirement savings often need to last longer, making long-term wealth creation just as important as financial protection. That's why wealth creation and protection aren't competing priorities. They complement each other. Think of them as 2 sides of the same financial strategy. Protection gives you confidence. When you know your family has financial security, you're more comfortable changing jobs, starting a business, taking a planned career break, or investing for the long term. At the same time, wealth creates resilience. A growing corpus, an emergency fund, long-term investments. These help you absorb life's smaller financial setbacks without disturbing your larger goals. Protection gives confidence. Wealth gives flexibility. Together, they create financial stability. So if balancing both is the goal, the next question becomes, how do you decide which balance is right for you? The easiest way to choose isn't by comparing products, it's by understanding yourself. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, what is my biggest financial priority today? Are you trying to protect a large home loan, create regular monthly income, or build a long-term wealth corpus? Your answer immediately narrows your choices. If protection is your biggest concern, your needs are very different from someone whose focus is long-term investing. Second, how comfortable am I with investment risk? Some women are comfortable investing in market-linked products because they have time on their side and are willing to accept short-term market fluctuations. Others prefer knowing exactly how much they'll receive and when they'll receive it. Neither approach is right or wrong. It simply depends on your comfort level. Third, how long is my financial journey? Are you planning for the next 5 years, the next 15, or are you building financial security over the next 3 decades? Because different financial goals require different kinds of solutions. And once you've answered these 3 questions, choosing a plan becomes much easier. In fact, these 3 answers naturally lead us to 4 different financial personalities. You may recognize yourself in one of them, or even a combination of 2. Let's start with a woman whose biggest priority is building long-term wealth. Let's go back to the first question. What's your biggest financial priority today? If your answer is, I want to build long-term wealth, then you're what we can call a growth-first strategist. You're probably investing for goals that are still many years away. Maybe retirement, maybe financial independence, maybe building a corpus for your child's education. You're willing to stay invested for the long term because you understand that markets may fluctuate in the short term but have the potential to create wealth over longer investment horizons. For someone like you, a ULIP can be worth considering. Why? Because it combines 2 important objectives: the opportunity for market-linked wealth creation and life insurance protection. This is where ABSLI Param Suraksha fits in. It offers a choice of 21 investment funds along with 5 investment strategies, allowing you to choose an approach that aligns with your financial goals and investment preference. At the same time, your family continues to remain protected through life insurance cover during the policy term. And if you choose to add the critical illness rider, it can extend protection against women-specific conditions. So if your financial personality is, I'm comfortable staying invested for the next 10 to 20 years because my priority is creating long-term wealth, Param Suraksha may be the path that aligns with your goals. Remember though, because this is a ULIP, returns are market-linked. The investment risk is borne by the policyholder. Now let's imagine another woman. She's not looking for market-linked growth. What matters most to her is certainty. She wants to know how much money will she receive and by when. Because some financial goals aren't 20 years away. They're right around the corner. Annual school fees, supporting aging parents, managing household expenses, or supplementing monthly income. If this sounds familiar, you are what we call a certainty seeker. For this financial personality, predictability often matters more than market participation. That's where ABSLI Nishchit Ayush Plan comes in. Instead of focusing primarily on long-term wealth accumulation, it provides guaranteed income with payouts that can begin as early as the first policy year, depending on the option chosen. Alongside these income benefits, it also provides life insurance protection for your family's financial security. The result is a combination that helps balance today's recurring financial commitments while continuing to protect tomorrow. So if your biggest priority is, I want dependable income without uncertainty, ABSLI Nishchit Ayush Plan could be the more suitable direction. Now perhaps you're thinking, I don't want to choose between today's needs and tomorrow's goals. You want both. Regular rewards along the way while still building something meaningful over time. If that's how you think about money, you're what we call a balanced rewarder. You're looking for consistency, not necessarily the highest growth. Not only guaranteed income, but a balanced financial journey. That's where ABSLI Aksha Plan comes in. It is a participating insurance plan, which means, subject to declaration, you may participate in the profits of the insurer's life insurance business through cash bonuses. Along with this, the plan offers regular income payouts and comprehensive life cover, which can extend up to 100 years depending on the option selected. For many women, this makes it a useful way of balancing present-day financial support with long-term legacy planning. So if your financial personality is, I want my money to reward me along the way while still creating something meaningful for my family, ABSLI Akshaya Plan may be worth exploring. Finally, let's talk about the foundation. Before thinking about wealth creation, ask yourself one question. If your income stopped tomorrow, would your family's financial goals continue uninterrupted? For many women, this is where financial planning actually begins. Because your greatest financial asset isn't your current investments, it's your future earning potential. If you're paying a home loan, supporting parents, raising children, or simply want to ensure your loved ones remain financially secure, then protection becomes the priority. This is where ABSLI Salaried Term Plan fits in. It provides a high sum assured at an affordable premium, helping protect your family's financial future. Salaried women are also eligible for a 9% discount on the first year premium, making it easier to build this protection from the outset. And for those who prefer not to see their premiums as a pure protection cost, there's also a return of premium option. If you survive the policy term, the total premiums paid are returned at maturity, subject to the terms of the plan. But here's the important thing. This plan isn't designed to replace wealth creation products. It's designed to strengthen them. In fact, many financial planners recommend thinking about protection as the first layer of your financial plan. Once that foundation is in place, you can confidently build wealth on top of it through investment-oriented or income-generating solutions. Before choosing any plan, ask yourself 3 questions. First, what's my biggest financial priority today? Protection, regular income, or long-term wealth? Second, how comfortable am I with investment risk? Would I rather have market-linked growth or guaranteed outcomes? And finally, what's my time horizon? 5 years? 15? 30? The answers usually make the right direction much clearer. Whichever path you choose, the Her Insurance Suite includes features designed specifically for women. These include women-specific health riders, when the critical illness rider is opted for with eligible base plans, special premium discounts on select products like the salaried term plan, and flexible payout options whether you prefer lump sums or monthly income. Because financial planning isn't just about buying insurance, it's about choosing protection that reflects your life. Now, let's answer some most asked questions quickly. Can I have more than one ABSLI plan? Absolutely. Many women combine a term plan for protection with another plan focused on wealth creation or regular income. Which plan suits women without dependence? If your focus is building wealth while protecting yourself, Param Suraksha with the critical illness rider may be a suitable long-term option. How does Nishchit Ayush plan help against inflation? Certain income options increase payouts over time, helping your purchasing power keep pace with rising costs. Is life cover in Param Suraksha the same as a term plan? Both provide life cover, but Param Suraksha combines insurance with investments, whereas a pure term plan is generally more affordable for higher life cover. What makes Akshaya different? Being a participating plan, it allows policyholders to participate in the insurer's profits through declared bonuses, while also providing long-term protection. Building wealth and protecting your family were never meant to be separate decisions. The reality is that women today are living longer, taking on greater financial responsibilities, and pursuing bigger life goals than ever before. Building wealth without protection leaves those goals vulnerable. Protection without wealth creation may not be enough to achieve them. The strongest financial plans don't choose one over the other. They balance both. Whether your priority today is growth, certainty, legacy, or protection, the important thing is knowing why you're choosing it. Take a few minutes after this video to map your own priorities. Once you know what you're trying to protect, it becomes much easier to decide what you're trying to build.